Hi, if you're looking for a quick review of limit laws and how to solve problems where we need to apply limit laws, this is a place for a quick review. Okay, let's go over quickly some of the major useful limit laws. First is sum law, and then we have a difference law. Almost same but with a negative sign. Limit as x approaches to a fx minus. And if we are going to solve, let's take a quick example. For example, limit as x approaches to 2 for this function fx plus 5 times of gx. And how we are going to solve this problem? So we are going, since there's a positive sign, so we are going to apply some law. So based off that, limit as x approaches to 2 of fx plus 5 times limit as x approaches to 2 of gx. Given is this limit as x approaches to 2, fx is equal to 4, and limit as x approaches to 2 of gx is equal to negative 2. Already, so based off this, because this is already given to us, limit x approaches to 2 of fx is equal to 4. So here comes 4 plus 5 times limit as x approaches to 2 of gx is equal to negative 2. This has already been given to us. So this is equal to 4 minus 10, which is equal to negative 6. So this is your answer. Thank you. This was just a quick review of the sum law or difference law. I mean, this is the same goes for difference law, right? So here we'll just have minus here and then minus here and same here. So if so based off difference law, the limit for this function would be 4 minus minus 10, right? So this would be 4 plus 10, which is equal to 14. Thank you. I really hope this helps. Thank you.